This is a healthy human cell, with a protective outer membrane, a central nucleus, and the DNA that controls its normal function. Inside the nucleus, DNA delivers the instructions that tell the cell how to grow, work, and stay balanced. Healthy cells grow in an organized pattern, forming tissues in a careful and controlled way. When a cell becomes old or damaged, it is naturally removed so a new healthy cell can take its place. The body also uses special repair proteins to fix small areas of DNA damage before they become dangerous. But if the DNA damage cannot be repaired, the cell may keep faulty instructions that can lead to abnormal behavior. At this stage, one abnormal cell begins ignoring the stop signals that normally control cell division. Instead of stopping, that abnormal cell keeps multiplying, creating a growing cluster of unhealthy cells. As these abnormal cells continue to build up, they begin forming a small mass within the healthy tissue. This image compares two types of tumors, a benign tumor that stays contained, and a malignant tumor that can invade nearby tissue. Here, malignant cancer cells begin pushing into nearby healthy tissue, disrupting the body's normal structure. Cancer cells can send out chemical signals that change their environment and prepare the area for further growth. These signals stimulate the formation of tiny new blood vessels that begin growing toward the tumor. Through these new blood vessels, oxygen and nutrients are delivered directly to the tumor. With a stronger blood supply, the tumor can continue growing larger and become more aggressive. Some cancer cells may eventually break away from the main tumor and begin moving outward. These detached cancer cells can enter a nearby blood vessel and begin their journey through the body. Once inside the bloodstream, cancer cells travel among normal blood cells and can be carried to distant organs. Cancer cells may also spread through the lymphatic system, another major pathway inside the body. When these traveling cancer cells reach a distant organ, they may attach to the tissue there. After attaching to a new location, the cancer cells may begin growing again and form a secondary tumor. Meanwhile, the immune system constantly patrols the body, searching for abnormal or dangerous cells. White blood cells can recognize suspicious cells and move in to surround potential threats. In some cases, immune cells directly attack cancer cells in an effort to destroy them. However, some cancer cells develop ways to hide from the immune system and avoid detection. Targeted therapy is designed to attach only to specific markers found on cancer cells, making treatment more precise. Immunotherapy helps activate and strengthen the immune system so it can attack cancer cells more effectively. Chemotherapy uses medicine that travels through the blood to target rapidly dividing cancer cells throughout the body. Radiation therapy uses focused energy beams to damage and destroy cancer cells in a specific area. Early screening helps doctors detect cancer sooner, often before it becomes advanced or harder to treat. With treatment, recovery, and ongoing research, there is hope for better outcomes and a healthier future.